Samboy Lim against Winchester. Ang laki ng respeto ni Chot Reyes dito kay Samboy. Yung import na bumagwardiya kay Samboy. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng mismatch. Samboy. Lim. Going to Samboy. So, the two limbs are in para sa kuko ng San Miguel. Kumami pa kaliwa. The floater over Winchester by Samboy.
What a shot by Samboy Lim. Huh? Head and shoulder fake. Nawala bigla yung defense ni Winchester. And a nice floater.
Maganda kanina yan eh.
Oh, beautiful shake and bake move by Samboy Lim. At saka yung floater niya.
Kasi panoorin itong si Samboy pag umiere. For his size, for diba, yung player. Meanwhile, last target yung hero ni Winchester ngayon. At ito, balik na naman. 8-point advantage for San Miguel. The Dragon against Racela. Ayun ang nilakambyo.
Nakainin niyang buhay ang defense ni Olson Racela. Racela, no lateral movement to stop Samboy Lim. And of course, Samboy Lim has the size. He can jump all over Olson Racela. But again, that crossover by Samboy. At kagaya ng ginawa niya kay Winchester, a shake and bake move. Biglang nawala ang depensa ni Olson Racela. Samboy Lim back in his element, so to speak.
Struthers going to Babilonia. Biglang mawala sa pwesto itong si Babilonia. Alvarez against Racela. Lamang sila ng 10 puntos po ang San Miguel Beer. Samboy.
Isolation.
Hindi niya magawa yung crossover pa kaliwa. So he takes the fade away. Yes, Samboy Lim. He's on fire.
Well, a lot of the locals of San Miguel Beer playing heads up.
Samboy, 11 points this quarter para sa San Miguel.
Partner, that is really the formula on how to win basketball games here. Sila nagdadasal at this stage because this game is still not on ice.
Asaytono. Over Cordillera. Wala. At dinukot ni
at nakuha pa ng San Miguel Beer.
ng San Miguel. The
Ayan
breaks,
ang tinatawag natin na breaks. Yes, exactly.
Ito, Samboy naman. Dumudubol na sila kay Samboy. Pumunta sa kanan. Lumayabo!
Samboy Lim is down on the floor. He's down on the floor. His teammates are checking if he's all right, and he is all right. He gets up. Samboy Lim. Ayan ang tinatawag natin na splitting the double team. At ang ginawa niya, instead of going in between, he went to the right. That's his favorite side. At kulang na naman ang help defense ng Pure Foods. Too late to react on the penetration.
Ibang personal fouls itong si Winchester, yun ang nadampot. Labang ng San Miguel ay 11. Merong timeout ng Pure Foods Cornbeef. Kami po ni Kinita yung babalik.
Siya na magdadala ng bola ngayon.
Si Samboy, si Ravena. Masakit daw ang ngipin itong si Ravena kanina eh. Iniwan ni Samboy, si Ravena.
Hindi lang siguro ang ipin ni Ravena ang sasakit, kundi ang ulo din. Team trying to stop Samboy Lim.
Samboy Lim, 18 points, 11 in the third quarter.
Yes. At walang tumulong sa weak side. Weak side rebounding ng San Miguel.
Foul on Winchester. Matatawag doon.
Ayan na, pwede siguro natin masabing hustle play ni Samboy Lim.
Nawalan siya ng bola dyan.
Yes.
Makukuha niya pang pabalik yan. Makakatira pa at mapafoul.
Partner, tatlong kalaban niyang taga Pure Foods.
Nag-iisa siyang pula doon. Matindi
And he was still able to get the shot off. Samboy Lim. Ang kontrata nito mag-expire na this year.
Nabanggit mo yung kanina sa polling eh. Yung mga players na pa-expire ang kontrata. Of course, on the end of Pure Foods, Patrimonio and Olson Racela. Ito mga to eh.
Yes.
Ito yung isa pa. Medyo natatamaan ko na.
So was an attempt to full court press San Miguel Beer at katawagan ng foul. Si Rosela siguro. Si Evangelista natawagan.
4 on Evangelista. And only the first team foul for Purefoods. 10 minutes and 2 seconds dito sa fourth quarter. San Miguel Beer 72. Purefoods scored be 62. Art de la Cruz. Going to Frankie Lim. To the other lane. Now it's Winchester covering Samboy. Yung cambio na naman pakaliwa. Tumukot pa.
Wala ka na masasabi doon. Ano ba classic tira yun? At pumasok pa.
Nadaanan sa ilalim ng braso nitong si Winchester eh.
Goes towards Winchester, yung Tulalao Patrimonio sa open space.
There is Samboy. Shooting over Winchester. Wala pero sa kanya yung bola. Oh boy.
Nasaan yung box out? The vaunted rebounding power of Purefoods is crumbling in the face of the explosion sparked by Samboy Lim.
Samboy has 26 points, 10 in this quarter. Rosela. Thank you. Po kami tapos ni Kinito, babalikan pa natin ang ating Gilbis Choice player, ang ating Grand Air Sky High Shot of the Day. Yes, at abangan po yan sa pagbalik namin ni Kinito. Nasa final score, San Miguel winning over Purefoods Corned Beef Cowboys. At tulad ng nabanggit mo Kinito, sila ang makakalaban ng Ginebra San Miguel sa Martes.
Totoo yan, and our Gilbis Choice player of the game was no other than the Skywalker.
Yes, Samboy Lim. Tignan mo naman ang numero nito si Samboy.
26 points.